Hi, I'm Alliance. I've put far too much time into this game. After maxing my main, I took up a new challenge. No banks, new methods, and new goals. Follow along as I share the progress of my endgame Ultimate Iron Man. Welcome to Stash Theory. This video is going to be an episode 0 to the series, covering my account and the progress I've recorded in 2025, with the clips starting during my TOA grind. After the clips, I'm going to go over my account as it stands now, as well as my future goals for the series. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. This was my first purple after the TOA changes, which was another light bearer.
It's a collection log.
Oh my god, I got it. This was a really nice item to get, finally free of the TOA prison, and opens up a lot more of endgame PVM for me. Some Miscellaneous PVM, coming in with a second Primordial Crystal in 90 KC. Coming up will be a few clips from the Big Chambers of Xeric Discord, which is where myself and a few other Ultimate Iron Men running 5+30 something scaled raids. These are fully completed by us and don't involve a carry. Each raid normally ends with a full chance for at least one purple between the team. The elite from Chambers finally gave me a Mimic after 74 elites due to the dry protection added with the clue scroll boxes.
It's a
Ooh,
collection log. Give it.
Well, that's everything I actually needed from here. Nah, we can keep going. Oh yeah.
All the bombs.
Oh, we're dead. Oh, Geo. Oh my god. Oh my fucking.
Wow.
Wow, that's actually crazy. We didn't get anything from that.
I got snappy seeds.
Here we finally get the Death Charge upgrade from Yama, which is going to be very nice for PVM moving forwards. The Bandos Stole is a weird Ultimate Iron Man item that allows for the solo storage of a BGS. I'm sadly still hunting the cloak for the stash. I'm out of food.
It's a collection log.
Yes!
Give it.
Fuck yes!
Good luck, good luck.
Geo.
Good luck.
Oh,
Holy
God.
shit!
What?
Oh my
There it is,
god!
baby.
No way.
Oh, look at
What
him.
the
I was
actual
feeling
fuck?
it.
Wait,
Oh
Alliance,
my
let's
god,
go.
he actually got the T-bow, baby.
No way, man.
That's my second
Oh
Mega
my
Rare this
God.
month.
Let's
What
the
fucking
fuck?
go.
Holy.
I can pay him back. Oh wait, no, speed fall.
No, you
Oh, never
can't.
mind.
It's a free for all.
I will pay you all a split of whatever I have in my mains bank.
Let's go, man.
It's not a lot, but
It'd be much appreciated, Alliance. I'm down bad right now. Dude, wait, you went from rune crossbow to straight up. Oh my god.
I've got both,
yeah.
but I can drop my crystal. As mentioned there, we can now drop our crystal, which saves us 6 invent spaces, which is crazy on an Ultimate Iron Man. I was recording the wrong screen here, but we got the mole pet. Finally! Come on, please, the treads. Cloth, I'll take it. We got a drop. There's one of the ones I wanted. We have another orange. Really is hoping this is the boots and we're done. Here we go. I mean, it's unique. Replacing my trident is a pretty good one. Oh, I've got to keep going. Oh, come on. No. Not another one. I don't even know if I can drop trade it. Oh. This could be it. Come on. Oh no, it's another staff. Well, we claim and move on. Oh my god, why? Oh, that's another invent space gone. There we go, number one. Here we are dropping the 2 spare cloths that I got from Doom in preparation for sailing. Okay. Okay, that's got better. This is probably a controversial one, so PVMers look away. I haven't used this item since I've got it, and I can always get it back in the future. So, that's the main progress from 2025 so far. Kind of insane. 2 Megarares with a few other drops scattered around too. There was also 2 clan bingos that I didn't cover, a fair bit of skilling as well. I stuck to the main drops and the account progress with this video, but expect more skilling content including grinds towards 200 mils in the future. As for PVM and items, I have a list of items I want to obtain for my dream gear, which I'll go more in depth into after the Matscape has been reobtained. Finishing the treads and oath plate will be 2 of the immediate grinds, with Tob a bit further on. As you can see on screen, these are the current items I have on the Ultimate Iron Man. I spent some time prepping for sailing, at least what I think will be necessary, but was also easy to prep in bulk. I spent a lot of time at Volcano hunting a tool seed, unlucky, and stacked up a lot of ore and bars doing so. I've also prepped some of the forestry items to increase plank gathering speed, alongside an unbought plank sack for if I need it. If you've got this far in the video, I really appreciate it. This has been a long time coming, and I'd love to start sharing the account progress with you. If you enjoyed, feel free to subscribe, leave a like or comment. The quality of the video should only go up, and I'm excited to see where this journey takes me. Thank you again for watching.